A simple, accurate blood pressure monitor with everything included. That's what we're checking out today when we open this box. Stay tuned. If you're like one of the many that need to regularly monitor their blood pressure, this is the kit for you. It's going to let you take your blood pressure from the comfort of your own home, and it's FSA and HSA approved. Let's check out the features. Nice pop of blue there. Got some info right off the bat. You're going to see that's going to show you where to align this with your artery. So you can kind of cinch it up and then you can rotate it back to where it needs to be, which is right there. Kit for you. It's going to let you take your blood pressure from the comfort of your own home, and it's FSA and HSA approved. Let's check out the features. Ooh, got it. Ooh, nice pop of blue there. Got some info right off the bat. You're going to see you got a bit of information on just how to use the blood pressure monitor. A number on there if you ever should need to call us. We're here in St. Louis, Missouri to field all of your questions or comments, whatever you got for us. It's already in its carrying case. You can kind of see right there, it's all packed up, and that's it. Minimal packaging, better for the environment. All right, so you've got your monitor, of course, which has that built-in pump. You have the wall adapter, so you can use power whenever you're at home. You can plug into the wall. And it looks like you've got a very sturdy cuff. We went ahead and made sure that you had some AAA batteries, so they're right there in the case so you can get started right away. The numbers are going to be very bright, very large, easy to read right here on the LCD display. So that sturdy cuff I mentioned earlier is going to fit 8 3/4 inches up to 16.5 inches circumference around your arms. And one thing that you might not see here, but is built into this unit, is a 2-year warranty, just making sure that you're covered, you feel good about your purchase. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just take off the sticker here. Again, that's just telling you how you can get help. I'm gonna go ahead and load up the batteries and use the batteries for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a quick change. That's better. Okay, let's go ahead and put on the cuff. Little line here that's gonna show you where to align this with your artery. So you can kinda cinch it up and then you can rotate it back to where it needs to be, which is right there. So I'm gonna hit the start button and it's gonna ask you which user that you are. You can have 2 different users for each unit, and it can actually save up to 60 entries inside of the unit itself. All right, so I'm gonna hit the start button again, and it's gonna start taking my blood pressure. All right, and there you go. You've got your systolic, your diastolic, and then your heart rate right down here at the bottom. And then at the very bottom, you'll see it's got a time and date. And like I said, it will store 60 entries within the unit itself, and it will even give you an average of your last 3 entries. If you need a reliable blood pressure monitor with everything included, go ahead and put the Greater Goods Blood Pressure Monitor Kit in your cart right now. And to see how Greater Goods is giving back, check out our latest charity project in the video below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping our mission to live thoughtfully.